Euwin from Kinder Respect, and today I'm going to tell you a story about Chicken Little. Want to hear now?
Yes!
Okay, let's start. Chicken Little. Features by Laura Rader. One day, when Chicken Little was scratching in the leaves, an acorn fell out of a tree. Hit her on the tail. "Oh," said Chicken Little, "the sky is falling. I must run and tell the king." So she went along and went along until she met Henny Penny. "Good morning, Chicken Little," said Henny Penny. "Where are you going?" "Oh, Henny Penny, the sky is falling and I'm going to tell the king." "How do you know the sky is falling?" asked Henny Penny. "I saw it with my own eyes. I heard it with my own ears, and a piece of it fell on my tail," said Chicken Little. "Then I will go with you," said Henny Penny. So they went along and went along until they met Cocky Locky. "Good morning, Henny Penny and Chicken Little," said Cocky Locky. "Where are you going?" "Oh, Cocky Locky, the sky is falling and we are going to tell the king." "How do you know the sky is falling?" asked Cocky Locky. "I saw it with my own eyes. I heard it with my own ears, and a piece of it fell on my tail," said Chicken Little. "Then I will go with you," said Cocky Locky, "and we will tell the king." So they went along and went along until they met Cocky Locky. "Good morning, Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, and Chicken Little," said Cocky Locky. "Where are you going?" "Oh, Cocky Locky, the sky is falling and we are going to tell the king." "How do you know the sky is falling?" asked Cocky Locky. "Henny Penny told me," said Cocky Locky. "Chicken Little told me," said Henny Penny. "I saw it with my own eyes. I heard it with my own ears, and a piece of it fell on my tail," said Chicken Little. "Then I will go with you, and we will tell the king." So they went along and went along until they met Goosey Lucy. "Good morning, Cocky Locky, Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, and Chicken Little," said Goosey Lucy. "Where are you going?" "Oh, Goosey Lucy, the sky is falling and we are going to tell the king." "How do you know the sky is falling?" asked Goosey Lucy. told me, said Jackie Lucky. Henny Penny told me, said Cocky Lucky. Chicken Little told me, said Henny Penny. I saw it with my own eyes. I heard it with my own ears, and a piece of it fell on my tail. Jam, I will go with you, said Goosey Lucy. Then we will tell the king. So they went along and went along, and finally they came to the king's palace. Oh, Your Majesty, we have something very important to tell you, said Goosey Lucy. The sky is falling. The sky is falling? How do you know the sky is falling? The king asked. Well, Jackie Lucky told me, said Goosey Lucy. Cocky Lucky told me, said Jackie Lucky. Henny Penny told me, said Cocky Lucky. Chicken Little told me, said Henny Penny. I saw it with my own eyes, I heard it with my own ears, and a piece of it fell on my tail, said Chicken Little. The king looked at Chicken Little, then reached into her feathers and pulled out an acorn. Chicken Little, the sky isn't falling. It was an acorn found on your tail, said the king. All the animals laughed, and Chicken Little laughed too. And they all went back home again. The end. What do you think is the moral of the story? For me, the moral of the story is have courage like the little chicken. But I also think we should not always believe in what others are saying. And why did Chicken Little think the sky is falling? It is because an acorn fell on her tail. Thank you for listening. Hope you like it. Bye!